Hello, this is Jason with MuseGrid.com. We're really excited to present to you a brand new widget that we've integrated with Adobe Muse called Calendly. Now, Calendly is a third-party service that you can subscribe to by going to Calendly.com. And what it provides is an easy-to-use, very simple and beautiful, mobile responsive ability to add appointment scheduling to your Adobe Muse website. So for sake of example, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that we've accomplished this. The first being a static button. For example, in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see that there's a Schedule a Time with Me button, that as the page scrolls, you'll see that it perpetually stays at the bottom lower right-hand corner. If I click that, you'll see that it opens up a really beautiful appointment scheduling interface. So if in this particular use case, I'm making a play as if it's a ski resort, and I have 2 class types, Advanced Ski School and Snowboarding class. So if I click Advanced Ski School, you'll see that I'm presented with this really amazing ability to select dates down here at the bottom. And now I have the ability to select time, so I can choose 9 a.m. I'll confirm that. And then the APX Ski Resort is asking for some basic information as well as some individual questions that you can customize inside of the Calendly interface. Now, we also have the ability to initiate that pop-up with a custom Muse button as well as just a regular Muse text link. So for example, if I had a contact page and I wanted to create a button that says schedule time with me, I could just click schedule button and away you go. Or for that matter, a link inside of a paragraph somewhere. Last but certainly not least is the ability to do on-page scheduling. So this is an actual Muse page, so I've included the scheduling component itself directly inside the page without having to click on any additional buttons. So for example, I can go to Advanced Ski School and go through the same progression they went through before. Now, obviously, mobile responsive is an incredibly important part of the new Muse. So you'll notice that this widget is fully mobile responsive. So as I go up and down the spectrum of sizes, you'll see that it automatically responds no matter where I'm at in the process. So even selecting a day, you'll notice that the interface changed just a bit. And of course, I can select the time, and confirm it, and of course, continue to go through the process of scheduling this appointment. I might also add that this is fully integrated with Google Calendar, so as people schedule time through this app, it will automatically be integrated with your Google Calendar. So download this amazing widget today.